Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by signing into OneNote for Windows 10 so your notebooks sync across devices. This avoids lost work. Once signed in, create a new notebook and choose whether it lives in OneDrive or locally. Choose OneDrive for autosync. Then add a few sections that match your workflow, for example projects, meeting notes, and reference. This sets structure so you can organize content quickly. It also makes sharing easier when you invite collaborators or move pages between sections. Now you capture content deliberately. Create a page for each topic and use subpages for supporting details to keep clarity. You can insert typed text, images, screen clippings, audio recordings, and attached files. Choose the type that preserves context best. Make liberal use of tags like to do or important so you can search and filter later. Tags are the fastest way to extract action items. Once done, drag pages between sections to reflect changing priorities and maintain a finish by reviewing and sharing your work. Use the share button to grant edit or view access and explain folder structure to collaborators so edits go to the right place. Make sure to search and filter by tags before a meeting to pull action items quickly. If something goes wrong with sync, sign out and back in, verify OneDrive is healthy, and use the Notebook Sync Now option. These steps usually resolve version conflicts and ensure everyone sees the latest page.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.